Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable your friends to see your location on Snapchat using the latest update. If you've ever tried to share your live location but couldn't figure out where the setting went, don't worry, it's actually very simple once you know where to look. Let's jump right in. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings are located. Next, in the top right corner, tap the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This opens up your settings menu where you can control everything from privacy to notifications. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy Control. Under this section, tap on My Location. This is where Snapchat manages who can see where you are on the Snap Map. Here's the important part, you'll see an option called Ghost Mode. If Ghost Mode is turned on, your location is completely hidden from everyone. To let your friends see your location, simply toggle Ghost Mode off. Once you turn it off, you can choose who gets to see your location. You can allow all your friends, select specific friends, or keep it visible to only a few people you trust. And that's it. Your location is now visible based on your chosen settings. Just remember, Snapchat only updates your location